Hi, and welcome to Neo Does Makeup. I'm Neo, and today this anime makeup look is inspired by Elphaba from Wicked. So, a little backstory. um, Wicked was the first musical I ever saw live. Actually, I ever saw in general. And I've seen it like 4 times at least. Once, the first time I saw it was in LA, Hollywood, and I actually saw it when Adam Lambert was in the cast. So, this was before American Idol. Um, and then the next time I saw it was in London, of all places. And then the next 2 times were in Florida. So I love this show a lot. I feel like it's a really empowering show. I love it so much. And I also have a few Toots and Tunes coming out with this. So this is an anime makeup and Toots and Tunes because why not? Anyway, I'm going to stop rambling so you can get into the video. And yeah, so if you want to see how I create this look, continue watching. Okay, so let's get right into the video. I already took care of my eyebrows. This one is especially big for some reason. And I already took care of primer, and I used Unity to set my primer. Then this is the Prism palette. I know this is going to fall out at some point, so let me take it out now. So the first shade I want to really dip into is Sphere. I'm going to take that on a fluffy brush and run that just above my crease. Okay, so dipping into Military Jacket by Sephora Collection. I'm going to take that and run that just below Sphere. So taking a little bit of Parallel, I'm going to run that lower into the crease. Taking my Sephora Collection number 10 brush, I'm going to blend. Okay, so now I'm going to take Obsidian and really focus that on the outer third and slightly into the crease, because if I remember correctly, this is supposed to be a super pigmented black. Taking that same blending brush and blending that out. So I'm going to take the shade Throne on my tried and true little packing brush. And I'm going to try it dry, and I might do it wet just for extra effect. I'm going to wet it. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing on this eye, put on some false lashes, curl my lashes, put on an entire face, some foundation, everything else, and I'll be right back. Then I might do a metallic liner, see symmetry. Let's see. Okay, so we're back, and Wet n Wild. Thank you, because that's the thing. Normally I would go like green because Elphaba, but for some reason I was thinking I was going to use this. Instead I used that. I'm like, oh yeah, that's how you do it. Yeah. And for some reason, this side was super pigmented with the bronzer, but now it's not, so I'm like happy. Okay, so back to the eyes. I'm going to take the same shades I did up here and run them along the lower lash line without the military green. Okay, so now I'm going to take the shade Venom by NYX. This is one of their prismatic shadows. I'm going to pop that on the inner corner. That really pops. And it makes this look blue now. Because that is a greenish blue, but now it just looks like straight up blue. For the waterline today, I'll be taking the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Highliner in Peridot. For mascara, I'm using the Lancome HD Mascara. So I don't know if I was recording, good on me, but I did quickly line my lips using a Wet n Wild Gel lip liner, and this is in the shade Red the Scene. And I was just saying, I was going to take my Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paint in Uncensored and color in my lips. Okay, now that you have the infamous smirk down, I'm gonna bring it back up. But first, can we just, I love this shirt. Okay, so now I'm going to spray down my face and set my face using the Kat Von D Lock-It Setting Spray. I'm going to let down my hair and I'll be right back. Okay, so here we are with the finished look, and I love how this turned out. I do feel like adding that Venom color made this look more blue than green, so that be it as it may, I still love how this turned out. And honestly, I feel so... I just love this. Wicked is, like I said, my favorite musical because it was my first, and I have a strong connection with this musical because a lot of times I can go to the music and just feel empowered, I guess. So, I hope you're defying gravity. Anyway, if you like this video, please do like, comment, and subscribe. If you like me and you want to see more, please do subscribe and click that little bell button because every time I release a new video, you'll get a notification. Aside from that, I don't know what else to say, except thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.